to me, JIGAN is neutral person. JIGAN has nothing to do in my own case. You don't understand? But I just have to refresh our brain that who is Gistlover? Why is JIGAN's name feature from Enusho's mouth? And Gistlover don't post JIGAN.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ṣé wàhálà kọ́ rèé? Ṣé ìjà ńlá kọ́ lélẹ́yìí báyìí? Wàhálà yóò ti wá pọ̀ jù lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pẹ̀lú LIZZY Anjorin. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, mẹ́wàá ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Inú níkà o, kò sẹ́ni tí a lè fi ọkọ̀ tán. Nítorí ní báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ JIGAN ó mà ti wọ nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé tàbí kí ẹ fìdílé nǹkan bí ẹ sì máa gbọ́ ohun tí LIZZY Anjorin ní láti sọ àti àwọn àṣírí tí ó tú nípa JIGAN àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
Abi? Then, Iyabo, I will ask again, who is Gistlover? Now.
JIGAN, let's say like you again one leg, as I see always you the night, I just shake my head. You the evil person. Very evil. Anyways, and then this second group, they're still told to decay and there's somebody called Tech Design. Now, for starters, Mohbad by on the 12th of September.
And don't forget that Mohbad by around September. Gistlover came for me around July. Iyabo Ojo came for me from Canada around August. Mohbad died September. Iyabo Ojo entered Nigeria back around 13, 14, 15, thereabout, allegedly. If you remember the video of Gistlover, that she wanted to lie against me, that was sleeping with Ajayemi. And I said it was not only Ajayemi. I was the one that disvirgin Babalere Paimo. I was the one that slept with. You all remember it was around June, July. It was around June, July. I told Gistlover around that June, July, I said, Gistlover, you go right enter mortuary. This time around, I will stand against you. I'm not paying you a dime. You all remember? It was around that time Gistlover was doing issue of Okufarao and her husband, that Tomeland Bridge stuff. Go on Google, go and check time. Gistlover wanted to bully that man to death. You remember? And we were like, these people can still come back together. Gistlover, don't buy this person. Gistlover already blogging me. After she was blogging me, then she added Okufarao's husband. You remember? And I stood for Okufarao's husband. I told Gistlover, I said, Gistlover, my case will be your last case. I said, I will never allow you to destroy anybody. If you remember vividly. So she was blogging me, I was giving her back. She was blogging me, I was giving her back. And she brought Okufarao's husband. I stood for the man. You remember? You remember? As a matter of fact, if you all remember very well, Iyabo Ojo came for me. August. She was throwing shade. You remember? Sorry, ex-husband. Okufarao ex-husband. If you watch how Gistlover bullied my daughter the day I gave birth, Iyabo Ojo was the only person that have contact of Wale Bouncer. Wale Bouncer is a promoter. Wale Bouncer is a promoter. He has relationship with all the actresses. While a bouncer called me the day I gave birth. And he did video call. He said he wanted to greet the newborn baby. And secretly, while a bouncer was videoing my face and the face of the newborn baby and my first daughter. I was wondering who could have done that, because Gistlover covered Wale Bouncer's face. Gistlover posted it on her page. But that was the time I was like, the person under Gistlover must be an entertainer. Though I don't know if that person is a musician or an artist, but I know that person is an entertainer. Because you can never have Wale Bouncer's contact if you are not an entertainer. Then what could have made Wale Bouncer recording me secretly without taking permission from me and recording the face of the newborn baby? Don't forget the same concept they did to Davido and Chioma twins. The same concept. You remember? Now, let's continue. So Yabo, báwo ni video tí Wale Bouncer yà, báwo ló ṣe dọ́dọ̀ Gistlover? Because tó bá máa ní èèyàn kan tó bá ní ìwọ ló ní contact Wale Bouncer náà. Promoter ni Wale Bouncer l'America. Ó dẹ̀ mọ gbogbo àwọn oní tíátà pátápátá. Ó dẹ̀ ní good relationship pẹ̀lú gbogbo wa. So báwo ni video ọmọ kókó? Yabo. Then mo rántí wípé bí mo ṣe bímọ tán, few days after, lẹ́gbẹ́ sàrí yìí wá. Ṣé o rántí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó nígbà tẹ́ lọ ti bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ́lé? Ó wá jáde síta ó sọ nǹkankan. Ó ní àwọn colleagues ẹ̀ kan wọ́n náà fẹ́ gba bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sílẹ̀, ó ló máa show wọn. Mo dẹ̀ rántí pé ọjọ́ kejì ni voice note Mr. Lawal jáde. Voice note Mr. Lawal pẹ̀lú Fọlá ọjọ́ kejì ló jáde. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, all because agba lawyer fún bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà. I'm not saying Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà raped or not, but I believe even if they want to sentence Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà to death, Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà hold his colleagues, and all colleagues of Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà hold Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà so dearly, regardless of what he has done. If he has truly done it, or if it was a setup. If you look at the manager or the PR of Davido, that PRO of Davido, since Gistlover has been blogging Davido, then what happens between Davido and Wizkid? They never had fight before. They never had fight before. So what suddenly brought issue of comparison? And when it comes to comparison issue, it was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that has that tactics of comparison. Shefilami. It was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó in the whole world that has issue, that has tactics of comparison. Because Davido and this guy never had issue before. So all of this, is it the PRO that was causing the competition and the comparison all of the sudden, or it's just natural? I'm just allegedly. Let's continue with this.
Text 23. So after I fired, immediately these people created this group, all in the name of fighting for justice from Covert. But if you see what you did this group,
concerned citizen, Aloma Bella Sugar Bookie and all that. Okay. Yabo, if I may ask you, Gistlover has been saying, I have some evidence, I've played it before. Gistlover said, okay, that you wrote a letter to necessary authorities that you want to have peace work for Mohbad's death. This lover said she sent you, Iyabo, to what's her name, DJ Splash House, Abi. Then Iyabo, what prompted you to have used your foundation to write a letter of corona inquest, allegedly? Iyabo, how did you know about corona inquest? What brought issue of corona inquest on Mohbad's death? Another thing is, the wife said her husband died in the hospital. Iyabo, you said the husband died in the house. If I may ask, Iyabo, who removed Mohbad's house camera? It's just a question. No, it's a question. He said waiting concern Iyabo and Whiskey Davido. So far, Iyabo OJO is in the same WhatsApp group with Davido's manager. And it's only Iyabo OJO that does comparison and competition. The question is, Iyabo, how did you come up with inquest? What gives you audacity to seek for corona inquest for a death of a boy that died in a family's hand? Not that they gunned down Mohbad, not that they buy Mohbad. Mohbad died right in his own house.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ó lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o, ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí tí Lizzy Anjorin tú, ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó sọ, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn ìbéèrè tí ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ìjà yìí ti le o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọjá ibi tí a fi sí, ó le gidi gan ni. Báwo lẹ ṣe rò pé ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan náà tí ó ṣe wọ ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, ṣé ní orí ọ̀rọ̀ gúrùpù tí wọ́n sọ yìí, jẹ̀rò wípé ohun tó ń ṣe lórí gúrùpù yìí wọ́n jẹ̀bi tàbí wọn kò jẹ̀bi? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, tí ẹ bá lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí, ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé ní comment section kí a lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Tó bá rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kẹ́ ní ọjọ́ tó dára.
So Iyabo, what brought issue of corona inquest?